Does he have his dick out or something?
I had my 2-year-old. So
okay.
as I was looking up, you know, all I seen was the hand. So I wasn't really trying to.
Oh, you think he's like jerking off out there? Today's video shows officers responding to a call about a man in a public park exposing himself with children in the area.
There was a report, someone from the public came into the rec center and said that there was a guy outside in the racquetball courts exposing himself with kids around.
When the officers arrived on scene and approached this man who was allegedly exposing himself, they quickly determined this was in fact a woman. Apparently, the person who flagged down the caller to make this report is not a biologist and does not know the difference between a man and a woman.
But I noticed you guys didn't go. He's actually on the other side.
Well, nobody gave us any information.
Oh. Okay, let me catch him up.
Does he have his dick out or something?
I had my 2-year-old. So
okay.
As I was looking up, you know, all I seen was the hand. So I wasn't really trying to.
Oh, you think he's like jerking off out there?
He's laying on the other side, you know, I mean, what else?
Like in the racquetball areas?
So,
on the other side?
So you see 3? He's on the other side.
Okay, we'll go over there and look. Okay. Hey, buddy, what you doing? You got a dog?
Yeah.
Okay.
Friendly? No.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm fine. I've just been on the phone waiting for welfare.
Okay. The dog's not friendly, huh?
No.
I'm sorry. I'd love to come over and say hi.
I know, he's awesome. His name's Batman. A lot of the other ones just know one right away.
How long have you lived here? Or how long have you had him? I'm sorry.
I've had his long in my hand.
For a while, right? Did you used to live up near Brian Wilson in the woods up there?
No. I was there for like maybe a short period of time, and then I went over by Pine River.
You got a spot now, or are you still out on the street?
I'm still on the street. I went to Texas, I came back.
152.
Oh, you know, and then, yeah.
152.
I'm working on getting out of here, like, my parents, like,
Any knowledge about 32 female 75. 1253.
Getting me a car, I was waiting for my brother to find me one, and then I can get a job, so I just tried to get out of today.
Were you living with your like brother and sister-in-law? Is that what it was, in a tent for a little while up there?
Yeah, I did. Yeah, but I ended up having my own, but yeah.
82.
Yeah, I remember talking to you. I gave you some food for Thanksgiving one year.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I gave you a whole big old stack of food.
I try to stay my stuff away from those types of that good stuff. I love
That's good. How long you been clean?
8 months, 9 months.
Just 9 months?
Yeah, 9 months.
How'd you do it?
Culture.
You just cold?
Yeah, I went to Texas and then with my parents, and that was it. Like, I just had to do it. Like, it was that time. It wasn't me. Like,
How long did it take you to go over the sickness and everything?
maybe the way I did it my way was like maybe 3-4 days, but like it's still there. But, like getting sick, it wasn't as bad. Like if you just quit completely, it's horrible. But like I kind of blew myself off.
Okay.
My brother was upset that I broke in his car with it and everything, but that's how I got down there. But I had to do it though because I didn't want to be like that for my parents or my niece. Like
Any homicide partnership on 5 places?
that was never me.
Yeah, I mean, I understand that. It's hard.
Yeah, it is.
And that's, I think, what stops a lot of people from going into treatment and stuff, too, because, like, you're ashamed and you're embarrassed that you got yourself in that situation. And
But, like, even when I came back, I did go to rehab. I went to Marriott.
okay. How long were you there?
Or 82.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I already quit, but then, like, I got here and then, like, I got set and then, like, I took 20.
You grab the 45 there, 7750 West Bridge, Department number 107. Actually, we call it 911 response time. The Black Dodge Charger to access rate David 90.
No, absolutely. What are you doing to try to get yourself some housing? Who's helping you with that?
Well, some guy that's not a computer, I think. He just got me for the Westgate. He told me some place, and there's sort of accepting with dogs. Like, there's a shelter taking the dog maybe a day for a night, so I'm going to look into that.
Okay.
Like, it's just a matter of time when I get this car and in the hobby.
Are you getting SSI or anything?
No.
Food stamps?
No, I just got insurance. I'm working on it. Now, I'm waiting for the answer because I have to redo my insurance now. I didn't know I still had it. And then I'm going to do the food stamp thing. That's the next thing. Like, I'm just waiting for the answer now.
Okay.
So, like, I'm trying.
Well, I realize you're trying, but reach out to the resources that are there for you. Because I think it was probably 3 years ago when I last talked to you, and you were saying some of the same things. You know what I mean?
And I did, though.
You were high, and it is what it is. You're clean now. That's a fucking fantastic start, you know? I'm happy to see that.
I know. It's better time.
I almost don't recognize you because you were lighter skinned when I saw you last time, and you were a little thicker,
Yeah.
so you lost some weight.
No, actually, I was, like, I had a lot of clothes on then.
Well, your face looked rounder.
Oh, yeah. Thanks to that. But now, like, I'm way better now. Like,
Yeah.
but, like, and at the same time, it's hard to gain weight because I lost part of my stomach. Like, I
Really?
died.
Did you get an infection or something, or?
No, it was an ulcer at first, and, like, I was thinking really bad. It was, like, over 100 or something. And then, like, they took that off, and then, like, maybe a day and a half, or not even a day and a half, maybe a day and a half, night, like, started doing again, and they just, I had 2 of them.
Wow.
And everything, like, yeah. I almost died. I never got up in ICU, like, twice.
Yeah, you've been through it.
Yeah. Oh,
All right.
Good direction.
And you say you're staying down off a climb in Wedgwood?
no, I was over that way, but I don't go that way because that's where,
Where you're staying now, about
like, around here.
just wherever you can?
Westgate here, really, like, here. Like, I try to move on and off, so
Yeah.
I don't bother people, I don't bother my kids, my meds, and everything else. But, like, I get somebody called on me when I was in Westgate, like, you know, part of my feelings stuff, and I was staying there, like, I feel safe there. But, like,
Yeah.
I'm over here.
Unfortunately, there's people that will literally just drive around and call the police on homeless people.
Really?
Every time someone sits down. Yesterday, I was driving down Broad Street, call after call after call. It was bullshit. Refuse caller.
Sad, like, nobody did nothing.
I know. But we'll show up every time and we'll talk to people. We'll mark on the run, hey, they weren't doing anything illegal. We'll move on to the next one. But some of these people are just dicks.
Yeah, and they are. And, like, I hate that they like to call you guys for it, like come and approach me and ask me to do my thing. Like, I'll gladly get a move clean up my mess.
Yeah.
No, but there's something like, okay, I'll put this on.
You know what this call said? That they saw your dick.
9192, okay.
That's
So
fine.
this is definitely related.
It is funny.
Not the other one. That,
I'm serious.
Oh, that's the greatest moment of my life. What?
Isn't that what it said, Jeff?
That's horrible. That's
It's
great.
actually disheartening. It's sad.
It is.
They don't investigate.
You can have the other two cars head to the
Good,
security
it's
court.
too
He
bad.
was a child and not a adult.
okay.
You're taking a dog. My guess is you probably pet the dog.
No, he was.
You know what I'm saying is they probably saw you pet the dog and they thought you were doing something else. And instead of actually,
Really, like,
They come.
Yeah.
no, it's nothing. They call us. It's stupid.
Yeah.
Stupid.
Yeah.
They do everything, don't they?
I had got sent to a bus stop today on a prostitute. She definitely was a prostitute. She had her hair done. She smelled nice.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What is wrong with
I got out of the car and I told her,
you?
I was like, you're not going to believe what I just got sent here on. Yeah. I'm glad you still got the same pup.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah, when I was in there for 1 day, believe it or not, they actually kept him for like 46 by 7 days.
Really?
Yeah, it only cost me $50 to get him out. Like, I thought it was really horrible, but like, I got out, I started trying to make sure that's possible, like, to get him, because like, I was going nuts, I was nuts in there already. And, like, the last day, I ended up finally calling, and I thought it was going to be like 160, so I didn't even call, I just started trying to make money, and they're like, $18, like, are you kidding me? And then they put him up for adoption, like, seriously? Yeah, they can go for adoption, but I told them, like, you need to
That's
get
good.
this owner, I'm on his way, because
Glad you got him back.
yeah.
Because that's your world. It means a lot to you. I know that.
You got food for him? You got food for him?
Yeah, I do.
Okay, good.
Like the girl I came here for, like she still helps me. She brings food,
Okay.
gives me like stuff, and then there's other people that still hand me stuff too.
Okay. Good.
So I thank you. I do appreciate that.
All right.
The water, and I'm glad they can found under now. Helps a lot.
Good. Was there anything we can do for you today?
No, just look for me next time, and I'll be.
Yeah. I'll keep an eye out. I'm always looking for people with dogs. I'll recognize your wagon before anything else.
Yeah, always.
If I see you out there,
The cars, and now it's the wagon.
yeah.
We'll tell these local people to settle down. We're worried about a lot.
Yeah, like I don't bother no one.
No, you're not. You're
Nope.
not.
Yeah, But yeah, I can't wait. I'll have to look into come up to the station or something so I can find you once I got my card.
Yeah, well, my name's. I've only got one more card, but I'll write my name on it
Oh yes, please, thank you.
so you can remember me. And
Yeah,
You
just
know,
like
you can just draw a picture.
I got the. You can honestly, you can go up to any Columbus police officer. Hey, who's that white guy with the big mustache?
they always say,
They'll know who I am.
That's awesome. I want to contact a few others. There's a woman pop up right, Wedgwood. She works here all the time, and like, I love her because she helped me save my dog. Cause I started going crazy.
Officer Hyde.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Really, yeah. I started trying to kick out the police officer's window, and like I was mad. Like, if you call the dog down on my dog, like I don't want him to go. Like that's what I mean.
Oh, that's rough.
But once they noticed like my dog was okay, I calmed down and good. Like so everybody like treated my dog like just be careful with the dog. She's okay.
Yeah.
Like, cause he's the only thing I got, you know.
No, I know that. Well, hopefully you get a spot. If you do, call and I'll come out and say hi and
I will. I will.
take a look at your accommodations.
Yeah.
If there's anything we can do to help you out, we will. I just put my name and my badge on there.
Yeah, I wish you would have seen me sooner because like I just finally got my ID and that's one thing I needed help with, but I got everything else.
Oh, okay.
Because I gotta use the social security card like this. Yeah.
Well, do you ever go down to like Hope Center and stuff?
Would I have it?
Have you?
No.
Because like Jordan's Crossing and Hope Center.
No, I don't go to crossing because I can't go there because they told me basically I couldn't move around nothing.
And you, well,
Yeah.
if you got like a friend to watch him or tie him up for a minute, because like they have all those resources too, where they help you get into housing and all that stuff.
Right, right.
It's a lot easier than doing it on your own.
Yeah, I mean, but then sometimes I feel like it's the best because it's like everybody's like, oh, you're a dog. It's like, and I get tired of hearing that. Like, but I want to reach out. I want to see what I can do because especially that guy said that the dog pound or somebody watch him while you go.
Yep.
Like, and like, and he's vicious too. Like, even though he's vicious, like, yeah. Like,
Especially if you have to go to a shelter for a few weeks and then get into housing, because sometimes you do have to go to a shelter before they'll put you in an apartment, and maybe you can have the dog people watch your dog for a couple weeks, knowing that you'll get him back,
yeah.
and then you can get yourself an apartment or something.
Like even then, like I was trying to, but like when I came down here, she had bought a house in Southampton, and a guy that she called her brother, like screwed her over royally. Like she was paying him money and everything, and he turned around, he was the one paying his bills and not the mortgage. Like her here, he lived that house, and he was somebody else. So like, and then she had moved back to her parents, so like she can't watch him because their dog. So like I was gonna go back to rehab and like do that 30-day thing, but they set you up after you get out.
Yeah.
I was gonna
Put you in like a sober house and all that stuff.
I was totally gonna do that, but she don't want to take it for me.
Well, I wish I could take him, but I've got 2 dogs that wouldn't get along with him.
I mean, like once he gets to know you, he's cool, but like
Yeah.
he can be very mean. I used to.
Well, it's just been the 2 of you for a long, long time, and dogs they don't trust other people when they're in that little world, so.
And then I had an old best friend, which is a man, and so I like but y'all came up to me calmly, like he became like hostage, he would came after you.
Mm-hmm.
So, like he hurt him pretty bad. I don't know how bad, but he watched it for maybe like an hour. And he was called some dude with a hat, and so like man, it's like no. But after he gets to know you, he's okay. But like
Yeah. All right.
the uniforms, like I'm glad he's doing okay with you, but the uniforms that came up on me crazy, like he didn't like that.
Well, him and I don't come up on anyone crazy.
Yeah, so like it didn't, yeah, he did that. Like, you know, you're not gonna hurt my mom. We're okay.
Yeah, I think your flashlight's on your phone. Once your battery's out.
I've got a ride along today. This is my wife.
I was wondering who that was. Like, did she
Could you hear me talking at all? So a couple years ago, when I had the round containers, and I was at the gas station, the person with the dog, that was her.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. So that's good. You ate it? It was actually good. I make real turkey, and it's so good. My kids, because I always have some left over, and my kids get so excited. They're like, "Yes, leftovers!" I swear to God, when I pack up turkey dinners for Thanksgiving for these people, it's better than making it at home, or it's better than our leftovers.
Right.
Yeah. Because I put the gravy in while the turkey's hot, and put the stuffing there, and it makes it so moist. It's good. What was your name again?
I go by Chris, but it's Chrissy.
Chrissy.
It's like Chris and Batman.
All right, I'll remember that.
Yeah.
And
I would definitely get hold of you. Like I can't wait. Like I'm
yeah.
so anxious and nothing happens fast enough. And I'm like,
if you get a place, I will bring you curtains and all kinds of stuff. Make it happen.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to stay in Ohio. It's like,
Well, if you end up getting yourself to get away, find a way to go home with me. You know?
I definitely want to, like, that's my next step, is definitely.
Okay. Well, we'll be around. You take care. I'm glad to see you doing good. Yep. Just put your dick away.